Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by isolating the footage you'll reverse. Select the clip in the timeline, then duplicate it so you keep an untouched original. Once done, trim the duplicate to the exact start and end points you need, reversing affects only that segment. Make sure the clip has no compound edits or transitions attached. If it does, detach or remove them first. This step prevents timing and audio conflicts later, and it keeps your project safe while you change playback direction. Next, handle audio and frame stability. If you want the original audio to remain forward, detach audio from the duplicated clip now and move it to its own track. Otherwise, reversed audio may sound wrong. Then, add brief freeze frames at the clip's boundaries to avoid abrupt motion glitches when playback flips. After stabilizing edges, open speed controls and choose custom to prepare for reverse. Don't alter speed yet. These preparations keep motion and sound predictable. Now apply the reversal itself. With the prepared duplicate selected, open the speed menu and tick reverse to flip playback direction. You can now fine-tune speed or use custom values to match timing. Make sure to reattach detached audio in forward orientation or replace it with suitable music or effects. Once satisfied, smooth any edit points and add crossfades if needed. If playback looks wrong in the timeline, render the project or export a short section. This confirms the reverse is real and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.